So hello, my name is Henrik Batslev, and I'm the new elected president of the local Encos Danish chapter. We just formed today on the 30th of October 2013. We have had a forming meeting today, which has been excellent. Lots of support for the Danish companies. We have made the approval of the bylaws, and we have made selections for the board. Now we are forming the chapter. We look very much forward to connect the dots, so to speak. The dots are about the international approach, it's about the local approach, it's about the IT tools, it's about the international standards, it's about the education and certification, and it's about the best practice. And Encos Denmark is going to work to connect these dots local here in Denmark. That also implies, of course, as one of the dots was in the international network, we look forward to the international work with these guys as well. So the prospect for the future is that we're going to have the first board meeting, be practical, and we're going to launch some events to show that we are here, and to show that what kind of things we're going to work with and offer for the community. We have some practical stuff. We want to change the emerging persons from emerging to be a member of the Danish chapters. We look forward to that as well, and be informative about that. So that's more or less what's going to get on, and we have already planned 2, 3, 4 events to get on within the next half a year. So there's lots of activities already. I think that Asmus Pandikov very nicely today said that system engineering in Denmark is a wide thing. It's not just something connected to the aircraft industry, because we don't have that, but it's something connected to the medical industry. We have worked a lot with building, with system engineering in the building environment. It's about making traditional products like hearings and stuff like that. So I think what we have to offer in the international context is knowledge about international standards and a broad approach to system engineering in many different kind of branches.